Today I'm going to show you how to make a GOG account step by step so you can get signed up quickly and start using GOG without any confusion. GOG is a popular platform for buying and managing games, and creating an account only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to GOG.com. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign-in option near the top of the page and click on it. Give it a second to load because the login window may take a moment to appear. When the sign-in panel opens, you'll see the option to create a new account. Click on Sign Up Now to begin the registration process. This is the part where you'll set up your new GOG profile. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your account details. Type in your username, your email address, and create a strong password. Make sure your email is one you can access right away because that's usually where you'll receive account-related messages or verification steps. Also, choose a password that is secure but still easy for you to remember. If you don't want to manually type everything in, GOG also gives you another option. You can continue with a Google account instead. This is a faster method if you already use Google and want to link it for quick sign-up. To do that, simply click on Google from the available sign-up methods, then follow the on-screen prompts to choose the Google account you want to use and confirm the connection. Whether you sign up manually or with Google, just follow the instructions on the screen until your account is created. After that, your GOG account should be ready to use. You may want to check your inbox or complete any final setup steps if they appear, just to make sure everything is fully activated. And that's it. You now know how to make a GOG account in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.